Hey, Heartfelt families. Happy Thursday. Thank you for joining me today. I'm so glad to see you. Today we're going to do a practice focusing on our breathing and noticing the ways that we can change our breaths or how we breathe. So we're going to start out with the sound of the bell. When you hear the sound of the bell, gently close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth, and then we'll begin. All right, so here is the bell. So closing your eyes, breathing in through your nose, and out through your mouth. All right, so for this one, we're gonna actually keep our eyes open. So you can open up your eyes, and we're gonna take a deep breath in and out. Now I'd like you to take one hand and slowly move it so it's in front of your mouth and your nose, kind of like this. So continue to take deep breaths, but with your hand in front of your mouth. So. As you're breathing out, you may notice the temperature or how warm or cold your breath feels on your hand. Is it warm or is it cold? Just notice for a minute. And as you're continuing to take deep breaths, try changing the way you're breathing. And see if it changes how warm or cool your breath feels on your hand. So maybe you change how your mouth is shaped. Now I want us to try together. Try making your breath really warm. How can you make it really warm? Now try making it really cold. Maybe try making your breath really slow or really fast, like just watch how your breath changes. And when you're finished, we're going to slowly lower our hand and take one last deep breath together. And we'll close our eyes for this one. So close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in and out. And as you breathe out, feel a smile on your face. Thank you so much. I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.